How to fix Telegram limit exceeded, try again later on iPhone. So the first step is by checking your storage on your iPhone. To do that, open your settings, go to General, go to iPhone storage, and make sure that you still have enough storage for your Telegram. And then you may also search for Telegram and click on offload app right here and reinstall the app once again. So what this will do is that it will remove the bug or fix the bugs that you are experiencing on your Telegram. And also now, once you have done that, you may also go to your app store, search for Telegram, and then um, click on update whenever you have the update button on Telegram. So that should work, and then that's it. That's how you can fix Telegram limit exceeded. Try again later on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.